What is this called in English? इसको अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? Dustpan, T silent कहा जाता है यहाँ पर. What is this called in English? What is this called? Mop, mop. What is this called in English? इसको अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? Basin, basin. What is this called in English? What is this called? Scrubber, scrubber. What is this called? What is this called in English? इसको अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? Broom, broom. What is this called in English? इसको अंग्रेजी में क्या कहते हैं? Sponge, sponge. What is this called in English? Pigs, pigs. What are this called? What is this called in English? Gloves, gloves. What is this called in English? Laundry basket.